So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the fix and solution of your problem, which is microphone of your headset is not working in your Windows 11 or 10. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is open settings, and once you open settings, just go over to privacy and security and scroll down a bit and find microphone here. Make sure this is turned on and this is turned on as well for the app you're using. Once you do this, if your problem still occurs, what you have to do is close this, and if you have a gaming headset, then you would be having a particular software for that headset as well. For example, if you have a Logitech headphone, so you have to download Logitech Hub or something like that, and in that it will ask you to update your headset's drivers, so make sure you do that as well. If your problem still occurs, then what you have to do is open control panel and click category and make sure it is on large icons. Now click on sound, and once you open this sound, make sure you're on playback tab, and your headphones should be on set default, and on recording your microphone, if your microphone is not giving levels like this, that means your microphone isn't set to default. So just right click on it, go to properties, click on properties again, and go to driver. Make sure to click on update driver. If this is available, just click on update driver and click on OK. Once you do this, just click on listen, and you can listen to your device if this is working or not. Make sure it is selected on continue running when on battery power, and once you do this, click OK, click apply, and just click on this and click on set default. Click apply again and click OK. Now your problem should be solved, and if your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.